Tired of wrestling with complex wire harness designs? We know the frustration. Juggling endless component specifications under tight deadlines is tough, and mistakes can happen easily, often at the worst time. This slows down your work and limits your effectiveness. The problem arises because most CAD tools aren't developed for the intricacies of wire harness design. They lack specialized capabilities and libraries, resulting in hours of manual workarounds. This wastes time and increases the risk of mistakes. But what if you had a solution tailored specifically for wire harness design and manufacturing? Meet Cableteque's Predictive Interconnect Analytics, or PIA. Our cloud-based platform changes the game in wire harness design, validation, and manufacturing. It brings together automated design rule checks with the most robust component and supply data. PIA seamlessly integrates with your existing CAD, ECAD systems, and even standard tabular inputs to provide advanced design rule checks and real-time supply chain insights. The benefit is that you identify errors or warnings early, select optimal components quickly, and eliminate the risk of costly last-minute changes. The result? Exceptional precision, enhanced efficiency, and unparalleled ROI. No more frustration over compatibility issues, change orders, or production delays. Just excellent tools empowering excellent work. Experience how Cableteque can transform your wire harness design and manufacturing processes. Request a demo today.